G'day critters and varmints, Darren Extreme Adventures again. Yorkeys Knob, that's the yacht club there. Looks like we've got a cracking storm coming over the back. One cell there, one cell there. And we've got the ocean. I'm going to go for a bit of a dip. Looks like they're dredging out the back there. It's about 35 degrees today. I did one at the start of winter here. We've got about 90 views, so everyone like and subscribe, and we'll keep posting more. Light breeze today, beautiful. Not a bad little spot. Definitely don't go swimming here at the start of the year because you got the stinger season. Beautiful place in the world. Thanks guys. Hope you enjoy.